Get ready for the dictation of 80 words per minute from the Dawn editorial start. Technology is playing a pivotal role in shaping the classroom experience, even if we in Pakistan are generally unaware of such advancements. Full stop. The world, especially the developed part of it, is surely moving in a different direction and at a different pace. Full stop. The emerging trend in terms of classroom learning is the integration of invisible technology. Full stop. The concept revolves around seamlessly integrating technology into the learning environment without disrupting the flow of education. Full stop. Technology becomes a silent enabler, enhancing the learning process in subtle yet powerful ways. Full stop. One of the key benefits of invisible technology is its ability to create a more immersive and engaging learning experience. Full stop. New paragraph. Interactive gadgets projecting lessons onto any surface would mean turning even walls into learning spaces. Full stop. Students will be able to work with virtual objects, and explore concepts hands on. Full stop. The technology enabled environment will make the learning process engaging and interactive based on virtual reality and augmented reality applications. Full stop. The world, especially the academics, would do well to remember that such technological tools may only enhance, not replace, the role of educators, who would continue to be the guiding force, providing scholarship and mentorship. Full stop. New paragraph. But knowledge is power, and that is why we must bridge the gap between traditional farming practices and the business acumen needed for entrepreneurial success. Full stop. By providing targeted training and tailored resources, we empower farmers to effectively manage their businesses, comprehend the intricacies of finance and marketing, and adopt sustainable farming practices. Full stop. Armed with these essential skills, agripreneurship can flourish and pave the way for a brighter future. Full stop.